Ready to turn ordinary household items into amazing science projects? From electromagnets and holograms to creating power-generating toys, we're about to show you 7 incredible experiments that make science come alive. Without further ado, let's get started. Take a regular bolt and wind wire around it, leaving the ends free. Carefully singe them and connect to a low-voltage power supply. Once you apply power, you'll see the bolt become magnetic and attract metal objects. This is a simple and clear way to show kids how an electromagnet works and explain basic physics. Take a plastic bottle and cut out 4 trapezoids as shown on the screen, following the specified measurements. Glue them along the edges to make a pyramid. Now, open a special holographic video on YouTube. Place the pyramid on your phone screen, and you'll see a 3D image appear inside, creating a real hologram effect. This is a simple way to impress friends and create a DIY hologram illusion. For the next idea, you'll need a clothespin, a buzzer, and batteries. Take the clothespin and attach 2 batteries to it so they face opposite directions. Also, attach the buzzer. Next, take 2 screws and insert them into the inner sides of the clothespin. Solder one of the buzzer's wires to the battery, and the other to one of the screws. Connect the second screw to the other battery with a wire. Connect the batteries with a wire so that the positive end of one is connected to the negative of the other. When the circuit is closed, the device emits a signal. Let's think of a way to use this. Make a small plastic piece with a string like this. Attach the clothespin to the door and insert the plastic piece between the contacts. Attach the string to the door frame. When the door opens, the plastic will pop out of the clothespin, and the screws will close the circuit, activating the alarm. Take a regular metal washer and drill 4 holes into it. Then secure the washer on the bolt with a nut and insert the assembly into a screwdriver. Now, using this tool, you can quickly and effectively twist wires together. Cut a small piece of plumbing polypropylene pipe and make a longitudinal cut. Insert sandpaper into the cut, wrap it around the pipe, and secure it back in the cut. Then secure the pipe on the bolt using washers and a nut. Insert the assembly into a screwdriver. You now have a handy sanding tool. It can be used, for example, to easily refresh an old screwdriver or treat other small parts. The screwdriver doesn't look perfect, but it's much better. For the next idea, you'll need an LED and a motor from an old toy. Glue the motor to a small board and attach a toy spinner to its shaft. Connect the LED to the motor's wires. Then glue a reflector from an old flashlight onto the board and place the LED in its center. Now, when you spin the spinner, the motor generates electricity and the LED lights up, illuminating the area. This way, you create an original flashlight that works without batteries. For the next idea, you'll need a regular alkaline battery. Take a copper wire and wrap it around the battery, creating a compact coil. Then remove it and straighten the wire ends on both sides. Strip the ends to expose the metal. Now take two regular keys and attach them to a board with the battery, using hot glue and tape. Insert the coil wires into the holes in the keys. When you bring a magnet close to the coil, it starts spinning rapidly, demonstrating the principles of an electric motor. This is a great way to teach children the basics of physical phenomena. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.